Let's walk through how to send a recorded message phone call communication type from the Indition Alerts mobile app. So if you're at the app pulled up here, just log in. We're going to hit Create Quick Alert. Now here you're going to choose, like regularly, who you want to notify. I'll just say all contacts. Now you'll see we have phone call here. Once you select phone call as your alert communication method, you're then going to choose your call type. Recorded message is our new call type option. So once you hit recorded message, you'll see the same options as normal, whether you want to add a new message or choose from existing. So if you hit choose from existing, you're going to see a list of existing ones that you can select, or I can choose add new, which is what I want to show you. And then here what you're going to do is hit that record icon and then speak verbally the message that you want delivered. When you're done, hit stop, and then you'll have a recording of the message. So just as a demonstration, this is a demo alert from Indition Alerts. Now you'll see that I have my recorded message recorded now. And your options here are to play that message out, to hear a preview of it, to know whether you want to use that message or not, or you can hit record again. So if I'm okay with that message, I can then hit send alert, and you're done. So that's how we will record messages to be used for our new recorded message phone call type in the Indition Alerts mobile app.